In this video, we will be doing some yoga asana that are recommended for lower back pain. So our first asana is Parivarta Sukhasana. For that, you need to come in any Sukhasana pose or any meditative pose. You can adopt Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana. Then keep your spine straight and take your left hand and take your right hand and place it by the side of your right body. Then slowly with inhalation, twist from your lower spine towards the right side and hold this position for 10 to 15 breaths. Then slowly come back and repeat the same on another side as well. And with exhalation, slowly come back. Our next asana is pigeon pose or Ardha Kapot asana. First sit in Vajrasana and then extend your left foot backwards. Then slowly put your hips on the side or on the floor. Take your right foot and extend it towards the right side. Then slowly on your elbows and try to touch to normal position, and you can repeat this on another side as well. Our next asana is cat and cow pose, that is Marjari asana or Bitli asana. For that, come over your knees and place hands at the shoulder level while bending, and then with inhalation and your slowly come back to normal position. Now we will be doing Ek Pad Angusta Asana and its variation, that is pose 1, pose 2 and pose 3. For that you need to lie down on your back straight and then slowly raise your right leg up to 90 degree or bend your knee and then try to catch exhalation. Extend your leg and hold this position for 4 to 5 breaths. And for pose 2, you can take this leg on the right and then for pose 3, bend towards the left. Slowly come back. Our next asana is Setu Bandhasana. For that you have to lie down on your back and bend your both knees. Place your both feet on the ground. Try to catch your both ankles from your both hands. And with inhalation, now we will be doing Markatasana. For that, bend your both knees and placing your both feet on the ground. Take your both hands and extend on at the level of your shoulders. Then make a gap or between your legs and your knees. Then slowly with inhalation bend your both the knees towards the and then bend towards your knees towards the left side and towards the right side. Perform this for about 5 to 10 times on each side of the body and slowly come back.